Since we find ourselves here in the last days, thought I'd take a trip down to the cafe. Think it's time that I had a bite of something new. Mighty tired of crackers and cheese whiz, peanut butter just no longer pleases. Think it's time that I tried a little bird nest soup. It'll cost you big bucks for a sample. We ain't talking no can full of Campbell's. Once you've had it, you're a member of an elite group. Bird nest soup. Someone told me it's made out of bird spit, but I'm thinking I must have misheard it. All I know is I just gotta have some bird nest soup. Keep your buried eggs and your boiled balut. Hold the insect legs and you can lose that fugu too. I don't care if it's not on the menu. I don't care if the odor offends you. I ain't leaving till I get a little bird nest soup. Bird nest soup. Bird nest soup. La 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 la. La 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 la. Keep your caviar and your kangaroo. Hold the gray foie gras and you can dump that monkey stew. I don't care if it's crunchy or boneless. I don't care if it makes birdies homeless. I ain't dying till I get me a bowl or two of the bird nest soup, of the bird nest soup, of the bird nest soup. Bird nest soup. Hey, there's a fly in this. Bird nest soup. Maybe it's supposed to be there. Bird nest soup. That's okay, never mind. Bird nest soup. I'm gonna need a bigger spoon. Bird nest soup.